Panahon guys, grabe ang saya. Saan na yung oras? Time is in 5:52, but look. Grabe. Ito pa sa building ang araw guys. Super kainit. So today we're done brushing because we need to brush there the behind this. So we done brushing. So this one is see, all is clean. So I don't want to I don't want to sweep this one because tomorrow the gardener coming, so it's wasted already. Never mind, I'm tired, so no need to sweep. And look guys, still have sun set, no, very hot. I could see anything too. Look, see it? That is the sun. Oh, building, and this is the sun. Very hot. So what we gonna do now? I'm hiding here. Look, this is the foundation. Is this the foundation? Look, this is my shield. So I'm hiding here because here is very hot. So look, see, the sunrise is there. Oh, not sunrise, sunset. It's going, the sunset's going to sleep early by then.